Last time we cracked the code on how to use Google Gemini to summarize YouTube videos, because who has time to watch a deep dive when AI can give you the TLDR in seconds? But today we're leveling up. Not only will Gemini help you summarize, it'll also recommend related content and questions that you may not have thought of that can be answered from AI searching the content for you. If you thought Gemini was just a fancy transcript tool, buckle up. This is where it gets interactive. For reference, we're using the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra for this tutorial. Start by selecting a YouTube video of your interest. Now, the video can be playing or paused, but if it is on an ad, you'll either have to wait for the ad to finish or you'll have to press skip on the video if it's showing an ad to get to the video itself so that you can use the feature we're going to show. Then you'll look for the comment section and you're going to swipe left on it. Now it's important to swipe in the right area because if you don't, you'll either get nothing here or you'll swipe down on the page or you'll dive deeper into the comments. So again, you're going to look for that comment section there and you're going to see a field where you would normally enter your comment. This is a bit confusing. You're going to swipe on that area. And then you'll see this card change. It'll say ask for the title, and for the description it'll say get answers, explore topics, and more. And then you'll see an option to summarize the video, which we can tap on. Now as this loads, you'll get more options here and you'll actually get a summarization as well with key points and timestamps. That's really cool. So options do include summarize the video, recommend related content. That could actually be helpful if you're looking for more information about this topic. And then for some reason we have summarize the video again. And if we swipe down, we're going to have proposed questions, which I think is really cool, especially if you didn't watch the video. These are questions that you probably wouldn't have thought to ask as a result. So for example, one of the questions here is why use theme park for keyboard background? Then if we scroll to the left, we'll have another question. How do sliders affect color options? And then if we swipe left a bit more, what do dotted circles represent? Let's tap on one of these and see what information we get from this. So it's loading and it's pulling this content directly from this video, and I'll know if the content that is mentioned in the answer is going to be correct. So it says here the dotted circles on the keyboard, schematic, and theme park represent specific areas of the keyboard that can be customized. And again, I made this video. That is spot on. That's pretty much what I said, if it's not exactly what I said. Furthermore, it says each circle allows you to tweak the color of other visual aspects of that particular section of the keyboard. Now, I think that is slightly paraphrased from what I said, but it's pretty much spot on. It's pretty accurate. And then underneath that answer, we have more questions generated. How to create new theme, how to adjust color vibrancy, what is the schematic view. This is just taking a deeper dive into the information. And I think that's really interactive, but also helpful. So there you have it. Google Gemini isn't just summarizing your YouTube videos, it's more so your AI companion to help you ask questions about the videos and take a deeper dive into the content. And if this tutorial blew your mind just a little bit, hit that like button. Subscribe for more tech magic, and also drop a comment if you're using this feature to summarize videos, ask questions about videos, or dive deeper into the content in general, or even if you haven't used it, if you will be using it, and if you're not, why. Until then, stay curious and let the algorithm work for you. As always, thanks for watching, and may the universe flow in your favor. And until next time, Leon checking out.